Namaste, Namaskaram, welcome to Happy Om Yoga. Today we're going to learn Viparita Karani, which is a wonderful posture and asana that will help you to relieve your lower back pain or any kind of stress on your lower back. Whether you have a sciatica problem or any other kind of a back problem, even the shoulders or the cervical pain as well. So whatever pain you have on your spine, Viparita Karani will help you to release those pains. So let us try and practice. Let us try and understand how to do it first. So the first thing you can do is you need to lie down. If you have a chair, you can also do this on the chair. Firstly, I will show you how to do on the wall. So what you need to do is lie down on a mat like this. Make sure you don't lie down on a floor. Why you should not lie down on the floor is when you lie down on the floor might be a little colder, or it's a raw surface. What happens is whatever the energy that is on the floor, especially the cold, that will creep up to your spine, and this is very bad for your spine, especially on the tiles, marbles, granites. If these kind of floors are there, you should never lie down on them. A wooden floor is absolutely fine, but still it's always good to use a mat, because the energy that these floors give you is very bad for the spine. So choose a mat, a yoga mat especially, and lie down like this. What you need to do is push your hip towards the wall surface. Once you push your hip towards the wall surface, make sure it touches the wall, and then raise both the legs up like this into 90 degrees. You can just keep your feet relaxed on the wall and your hands above your head or just next to your hip. However you feel comfortable. Make sure you need to feel really comfortable in the posture. If you think there is any kind of disturbance in your spine, there is an arch that is creating, you can keep your knees softly bent. If you have a very deeper arch on your lower back, it is quite impossible, or I should say it's quite difficult to keep your knees straight. So you can bend your knees in that case and then just stay here. And the first thing you need to do is, I want you to say the akara, which is just okay, when you say akara, your body starts relaxing. I want you to say at least minimum 5 times, or you can go up to 11 times as well. So this is one thing that you need to do in Viparita Karani. And the second most important thing after you do akara is just stay in the posture and inhale. You have to breathe in this pattern. I will explain how to actually breathe in this pattern. So you just have to do a minimum of 25 breaths here. All right. So this is one way of doing Viparita Karani on the wall. And the next thing you can do is, let's say this is a chair right here. You can just put your legs on the chair like this and just stay here. All right, so let's say there is a chair. You just have to put your legs there and drop your lower back down on the floor. Okay, that's another way of doing it. So this should really help to relieve all kinds of back pain and for sciatica as well. And the breathing pattern that we used was, when there's a kid making a lot of noises, what we do is shh. We ask them to be silent, right? So the same way you have to inhale, all right, just make the sound, exhale through the mouth and then make the sound. Okay, this way you have to do 25 breaths while staying in Viparita Karani. And I want you to practice morning and evening at least twice, Or if you can, go ahead and do for 3 times a day. That is morning, maybe evening somewhere around 4 or 5 o'clock, and once again around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock before dinner. So just try and practice this. Within 5 days of practice, if you have like a severe back pain, whatever the kind of pain you have, doesn't matter. You will see, if you practice sincerely for 5 days, you will see a lot of relief that happens on your lower back. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please do share for anyone who needs a relief from their back pain, or if they have any kind of sciatica problems. It's a very simple practice that can help you relieve your pain just within 5 days. And if you want to consult on any other kind of ailments that you're suffering from, if you wish to, you can contact me through the website. And I also conduct live yoga classes in the morning and also live pranayama and meditation classes. If you wish to join, please contact through the website. Okay, see you guys. Thank you so much. Namaste, namaskaram. Keep planting smiles.